In my 57 at the drive-in. This is a scary movie I'm in. Hope what I do is for my folks who genuinely want me to win. I do a lot of focus and stay over this bogus shit. My money is out on the business, my focus is high. It's claim it to be just plain for they not pay. Time is the mama in the house kid. Of your mother and your mama, she the wild bitch. If she cooler fucking down with rolling that money up. That race, they put me on the stove, they pull me up, I hope you hungry. I gotta play the dust for you, homie. Look up, early morning exercise, doing push-up. Though I ain't stingy with it, got a couple pounds put up. Them bitches used to overlook us. Now in my presence, they shook up. See where this red shit that took us? Hold on. I say hold on. Give it up for the band, I mean, they doing some